Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you wire-free smart video doorbell from ieGeek. This is Bell J1 version. It has PIR motion detection, wire-free, two-way audio talk, and smart alarm mode. Remote view control, instant notification, and multiple user sharing. Let's open it and see what we have. Here is the user manual. And the doorbell. Take this out. When you take the cover out, DC 5-volt reset. Here is the charging place and reset button, and then SD card. Sensor, camera, and the button. Here's the back side. There is also lock or unlock. And we have the chime right here. Let's put the batteries. Batteries also come with the box. This is the pair button and volume button and then music button. It is very loud. And also there's LED lights right there. And let's continue. And we have the screw pack and the USB-C charging cable and some stickers. And you can unlock it with this right there and take it out, charge it, and put it back. You can take it out like this. Whenever you're done, you're just gonna basically put it over here and close it. Now it is already synced. Both of them are working. Hello. Let's close that. In full HD, PIR motion detection is detecting a human being. That's why you're getting the notification. We're gonna do this at night and see the quality. Let me go ahead and move. For example, if I go in front of the door, it's clear. It is very sunny, that's why you see a little bit darker. Now it's night time, and let's go ahead and check it out. This is full color night vision. Let's go ahead and make it full screen. And this is how you see it is very clear. This is full HD, and this is SD, and this is auto, and two-way audio talk, screenshot, and video. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights, and let's see. And now the night is off. Right now the light is off, and this is how it sees. Let me move around. It is showing PIR motion detection. There is no lagging or any disconnection. Everything is good. I can suggest this doorbell. It is very stylish, as you see. And the other thing is it has PIR motion detection and full color night vision and two-way audio talk, and the quality is full HD. And there is sound and motion detection, and you can change the sound and check the history. Even you can use cloud service, and the internet connection is good. The battery percentage is around 65%, and you don't need to use wires. This is completely wireless. That's why I can suggest this. You can answer it right there.